It's bedtime now. Tonight, Mummy is reading a beautiful story. A story about 3 little sheep. Once upon a time, on a quiet green hill, there lived 3 little sheep. Every day they played under the warm sun, laughing and running all around. But one evening, the sky turned dark, and a soft wind started blowing. Whoo! The first little sheep said, "I will sleep under the tree." The second said, "I will sleep near the river." But the third sheep said, "I will build a warm, cozy house." So the third sheep built a soft little home with hay and leaves. It looked warm, safe, and snug. Soon the wind grew stronger. The first sheep felt very cold. The second sheep felt very scared. They ran to the third sheep's cozy house. "Please let us in," they said softly. The third sheep smiled. "Come in, my friends." All 3 sheep cuddled together, warm, safe, and happy. Under the soft moonlight, they closed their eyes and drifted into a peaceful sleep. Good night, sweet dreams.
Subscribe for more videos.